Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel and say hi to Bumble. She's hanging out with me today. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I am a planner. I plan with my dog at times. Oh, she's slipping on the sticker books. Anyway, today I'm going to be flipping through these two new sticker books from the Happy Planner. They're coming out tomorrow, you guys. Out for Adventure and Seasonal Type. I can't wait to see what's inside because I have not looked at these yet. I like to look at them at first with you guys. So if you'd like to see my first reactions, keep watching. All right, these are the two sticker books I was most excited about with this new back to school release because look how cute they look on the outside. They're themed sticker books, which is my favorite kind, and I can't wait to check them out. And this one's big, so that's like, yay. Okay, let's look at Out for Adventure first. So before I show you what's in this book, I just do want to mention that tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Pacific time, these and all the other new back-to-school products are being released on the Happy Planner website. There are previews on the website right now, so you can go check those out. And if you are going to purchase, I would really appreciate you use my affiliate link or someone else on the squad or a mentor because we work so hard to get this out to you in a timely manner. And you know, I just got these today, so I'm like scrambling to get it done. So I really do appreciate it. It's no cost to you, and it would help me out. So let's see what is inside this book. What do you think, Bumble? You ready to check it out? She's like, I don't care. She's like, I do not care. She's on my lap. I know. Oh my gosh, right away. Look at this. I knew I was going to love this. I knew it. I don't look at flip throughs before I get these, you guys, because I want to be surprised. This says adventure everywhere. Look at the colors and look at this cute little illustrations. Look at this bird. I can't. It is so cute. It says, you are beautiful. Ooh, these are neat. Look at those. We haven't seen anything like that before with like the little scallops like that. That's so cute. Wild and beautiful. Hooray for today. Look at this with little palm trees and the birds. Good vibes. Like the details, like look at the details. I just have to show you. Look how cute. Look how cute that is. Super cute. Okay. And the colors right away. I'm in love with it. Okay, you've got this girl, good vibes, out for adventure, dream bigger, don't give up, love life. I like the size because they like kind of fit anywhere, right? Study night due today. So this is, by the way, this is a student sticker book. That does not mean you have to be a student to like use a lot of the stickers in this book. I have all the student sticker books and I use them all the time. So it can still be really fun. But if you are a student though, these could help you with that as well. So we've got these boxes that are so cute with the little illustrations of these girls. These say topic, important. We've got like this tropical box situation going on here. Really nice. Weekly assignments. And again, like these types of sticker books, you can really modify. So if you don't want it to say weekly assignments, just cut that off. Just cut it off. And you've got a box of like the 3 things. You can even take this and separate the boxes. So you have 3 little boxes. You can do what you want. Cut your stickers, people. Don't be afraid. We got another page of those. The color palette is so pretty. I love like the light pink with like these other kind of colors. It's just different. And the deep greens. Beautiful. I know, Bumble. So now we're into these like longer stickers, which I guess are probably meant for probably the mini horizontal, I would think, but I love this. I love it because I love like when I have different kinds, different shapes and different sizes of stickers because especially in my journal, I love to like combine them in different ways. Very good. Look at this lazy weekend and he's just chilling. I know, Bumble. I know. And then we have even longer ones here. And then these little strips, which we can use in lots of different places. Bumble, what do you think? So these are so cute too, with the little scallops on the top. I'm typically really like somebody who likes just like the regular old rectangular stickers, but there's something very appealing about these for me. Really appealing. And if you don't want the scallop, again, you can just cut that part off and you've got like a regular rounded top sticker. So we've got more of those in that really cute tropical pattern. And you guys know I love strip stickers, at least I think you know. They're like washi tape, but they're stickers. And I love washi and I love these long strip stickers. You can use them in so many different ways. I should probably make a video on ways you can use strip stickers, honestly. They're just like really cool. And these ones are beautiful. Look at those flowers. So we've got some round decorative boxes, kind of. Follow your dreams, girl. Live your dream. Love today. Rock this day. They've got some gold foil action, which I appreciate in like a colored sticker. Just a little accent gold. Like this one has some like polka dot gold in there. Some gold polka dots. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that little guy. Look at that little guy. He's a little bird with binoculars. Are you kidding me? How cute are they? Look at him. Oh my gosh. Love it. Okay, so we've got some little circles here. Weekend fun. Work hard. Get it done. Me time. Free time. You see, these really you don't have to be a student to have this book. Now, this is a student page. You know, we've got like study time, no class, reading, whatever. But for the most part, you really can use these whether you're a student or not. And we've got a page of just ones you can write whatever you want on them. And look at the colors. Look at the colors. Okay, this page. So we've got, let me get my tweezers here. I think. Let's see. Okay. I can't see Bumble. So these are squares. So we've got the squares. And then, all right, I don't have to take them out, but these are squares on this side and they are circles on this side. And they're all that size. And they're all those colors. So I think that's cool. I'm going to put her down. She's probably going to bark. Oh, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me with these? Happy Planner. I can't. Like, man, look at them. This is so my style. I'm not even kidding. So we've got birds and we've got little quote circles. They're talking. They're hanging out. They're telling all sorts of stories. And I cannot wait to make them talk in my planner. I can't wait. I'm already thinking about what they're going to say. Ah, look at these. I love these. You know who would hate these? Elise, my friend Elise, Plan with Elise. She hates birds. I don't know how you can hate birds. Look how cute these are. Look how cute these are. Maybe I should make a spread dedicated to Elise and just have all birds in it. Or I'll make a spread dedicated to Elise and my friend Marielle who hates pickles. And it'll be like a bird and pickle spread. That would be so funny. That's just the things that run through my head. These are just adorable. They're unclear. And these girls are just classy, aren't they? They're so classy. You can't even see their faces because they're just like mysterious and wonderful and just a class act. And they're going on adventures. They're going on adventures. That's going to be me after COVID's over. Adventure time. There's more of them, smaller. You can create scenes. Look, you can. You can create little scenes with these. We've got some jungle greenery and some palm trees with birds in them. This is the favorite sticker book I've seen so far. Spring break, summer break, fall break, winter break. I just love animals. Also, if you want, and you're not a student, and you don't have a spring break, just cut that part off and you can take that and do spring. Cut this part off, you have summer, etc. Stay curious. Take time to enjoy the simple things in life. Looking for good vibes. Out for adventure. Clear. And more clear. Look at these. Let me sleep in. Ah, love that. Love the here and now. Hello, wonderful life. This is such a happy book. Do today. Well, if you don't have anything to do today, just cut that part off and you've got like a bunch of flowers you can do whatever you want with. You can even like put them all in a row across your page. Same deal here. You can use these little trees and plants. You don't have to have assignment on it, but if you're a student, there you go. And again, same thing here. If you're, although if you're not a student, half of these say reading. You could use this like for a list of like what you're reading currently or like something like that. Or you can cut reading off and you have a whole bunch of little birds. And you can make a scene and you can make them do anything you want in your planner. I think that's brilliant. Okay, so obviously I'm in love with this book. Next up, we've got Seasonal Type. I'm really excited about this one as well because I love a good seasonal sticker book. And this is big size. And I use a big happy planner most of the time, or at least for my catch-all. So I am excited about this. Okay, so we have Let Go and Grow. We've got some gold accents on these. Look at this one. That's so pretty. Life is good. Ooh, spring is in the air. Radiate love, teach love, inspire, feeling lucky to be a teacher. So this is a teacher sticker book, yes. But again, you can use it if you're not a teacher. Look at these. So pretty. So obviously we are in like spring here to start. Spring flower happy hour. Ah, I love these circles. Love, love, love. These are so pretty. Faculty meeting, lesson plan, progress report, grades due. If you're a teacher, you've got it made with these. Today, the plan, get it done, remember, things to do, write it down. Test, quiz, party, review day. Oh, I can't. Look at these. Look at these. Look at these flowers. And we've got like the clovers. I love it. I love it. Be happy today. I am so lucky. So these are clear and these are clear. I don't know if you can tell that. I always say that in case you can't, but so this is going to be good for a St. Patrick's Day spread for next year. Look, there's an Easter sticker as well. Now we're into summer. Teach, love, inspire. Life is sweet. Hello, sunshine. Loving these colors, you guys. This is so cute. They're like tropical colors. Vacation days. Yay, yay, yay. Look at these with the little stars on the bottom. Love this. It's like very bright, tropical, like fun color palette. Love the colors. Love what you do. So much fun. Teaching is my jam. Joy. So we've got, again, faculty meeting, lesson plan, progress report. So this is sort of like a a color story book-ish because we've got like the same types of pages, just a different theme for each season. Today, noted important. Remember things to do. I was hoping they'd include fruit. Yeah, this is so cute. I love like the little whimsical drawings and like even if they're like almost kid-like, it just, I love to doodle. So it just appeals to me so much. These suns, I feel like I need another of these books already. Same with that last one. These are so cute. Okay, so we've got some clear quotes here. It's cool to be kind. Summer days, 4th of July, field day, choose joy. Now we are into fall. Never be afraid of change. Grateful for so much. Look at that little candle in the middle of all the leaves there. Thankful. We've got some Thanksgiving type stickers here. Teachers have class. Fall in love with fall. You have totally got this. And look at these. The colors. Beautiful. Got some Halloween-y stuff here too. Pumpkin spice everything. Boo, be grateful, get your hustle. What does that say? Messy classrooms are where the magic happens. That's what I used to say about my house. So again, with those same progress report, etc. in the fall colors. And again, we've got one of these pages in those colors. Look at these. These are so cute. We've got little mushrooms and little pumpkins. I really like these colors. They're just different. They're like the orange is a little bit darker than what we're used to. It's not like super bright and in your face. More fall colors. And then we have the page of quotes. Teachers change the world one child at a time. Happy Halloween. Have a thankful heart. All right, so now we are obviously into winter here. So this is a different kind of winter than I was expecting when I turned the page. But I guess they're including like Valentine's Day in here and Christmas. And then looks like a winter theme. And then maybe New Year's Eve. I don't know what that one is. I guess it doesn't matter. I guess maybe that's still Christmas. Winter fun. It's the merriest season of all the love. Do more of what makes you happy. These boxes are so cute with these little illustrations. Love them. More of these fun circle stickers. Make a little magic today. Beautiful minds inspire others. So we've got, you've got your Christmas and your Valentine's Day and your winter ones. Super cute. Look at these. These are clear. We've got some snowflakes. And I really like this little quotation with the heart in it. And these are really pretty for Christmas time. And even these gems out of nowhere. Throwing in the gems. Kind of cool. Stay magical. Snow day, New Year's Day. So we've got definitely seasonal, holiday type stickers. Oh, look, we're combining things in the back here. Okay, we've got smaller things. Happy birthday. Field trip, early release. Happy birthday, field trip, early. Okay, so they're all happy birthday, field trip, early release, but they're seasonal. So spring, summer, fall, winter. And that is that. Those are clear. I love these two books, you guys. I'm so excited about these two books. Thank you, Happy Planner, for sending them to me. Let me know which one's your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget, my affiliate link will be in the description box. 9 a.m. tomorrow. They go on sale. Along with all of the other back to school. There's a ton of it's not just sticker books. It's a ton of back to school stuff. So check out the preview on the Happy Planner. And I also have other flip throughs that you can check out too. So that's all I got for you today. I mean, at least in this video. So take care and I will see you soon. Bye.